Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're visiting the channel for a very first time, then this is my small introduction. I'm thankful for each and every member because it's just you and only you who is helping me and this channel to grow. I thoroughly enjoy learning and sharing Salesforce knowledge with you. Please keep watching, sharing and motivating others to subscribe to your channel. Let's start with today's topic.
So this is our scenario 2 discussion. And before I tell you the scenario, I want to show you something, uh, so that you can also understand what exactly I'm trying to say, or you can, in your project, if you get some, these situations similar or a little bit of, with a change, then you will get an idea that how to work on this kind of the requirement. So this is, I am going to update my account name. And before, let me, try it. Not allowed validation rule. Okay. Now you might, say that, I mean, this is something is the user is not having any, the record access. So for your, to show you, I am logged in as system admin. System admin. So system admin have, the access of all the records of, the everything. So this is, our problem statement or our scenario for today. Don't allow user from certain profiles to update the account record. Or, you may, get a situation where you may, the business requirement is that do not allow the certain profiles to update this particular field or this particular, the the object records, right? So what I have done is I have created a validation rule on the account object. Okay. So without, the wasting time, let me show you. This is the validation rule. Now what I am doing is, because I have mentioned that this is the not operator. Okay. So other than these two profile, okay, if any other profile user is, this making a change in the name is the account field name, right? Then I am getting this error. Okay. So what is the situation is, you know, because this is a scenario discussion, so I'm not going, the deep into the what is the validation rule and everything. So I'm just telling you the solution to a problem, of a solution for a problem. Okay. So profile name you have mentioned here. Other than this, if any other profile user is trying to change the name of the account record, it will get a error message. Okay. Now you have seen that, the as system admin, when I was trying, now system admin is a super user, right? So as system admin, even, when I'm trying to update the account record name, I'm getting the error. So let me, the change the profile here, and let me show you that yes, it is working now. So what I will be doing is, I will be adding system admin here now. Okay, profile, check the syntax. Error found. Okay, double this thing. Okay, check syntax now. No error found. Okay, and save. Okay, now let me just refresh it. And try to edit now. Done. Okay, so this is the scenario discussion number 2. If you like this kind of scenario, this kind of discussion, please put a thumbs up, share to your friends, subscribe, and request them to subscribe, because I mean, this is the I like when I see our family growing. Put your thoughts on the comment section, and I will be waiting for the questions, your suggestions, your appreciations. Thank you. Take care.